porch review. All right, back with another All right, guys, we're back with another front porch review. If you've never seen one of my front porch reviews, basically I shoot the video right here, obviously on my front porch. People pass by, cars pass by. I just wave and, you know, say hi, and we just kind of go with it. Today we're going to be looking at this, which is a cooler from OtterBox. I got this in my latest Hunt Vault, and this is called the Trooper 12. And they've been partnering with Hunt Vault pretty regularly, it seems like. I recently got this, which is the Elevation 36. It's just a massive water bottle. It's got a big loop there, so you can attach it to things and hang it. You twist the top, and it pops off like so to drink, and then obviously the entire top comes off, and you know, you fill it up with your liquid of choice or whatever. OtterBox is my go-to when it comes to a case for my phone, for my iPhone, and I've used one for probably the last 5 or 6 years maybe. I've only had 2 different cases, one for one iPhone and one for the other one, and yeah, they're awesome. I mean, I've dropped that thing, I've beat that thing up, and it's just been really, really good. So Hunt Vault is partnering with them. I've got the Elevation 36, and now we have this as well. So this is really what I want to talk about in the review and just tell you a little bit about it. Again, it's pretty new to me, but this is going to be a product you'll see. Well, I don't know if you're going to see it, but it's going to be in use a lot for my family because it's just the right size for like a short day trip to bring some food to the beach and things like that. All right, first off, it's called the Trooper 12 because it has a 12-quart capacity. You can see it says Otter on the front there, or OtterBox on the front. It does have a little pouch here that you can store stuff in, kind of like a salmon color inside there. And you're probably not gonna store food or anything in there, but if you want to store maybe some utensils or something, if you take this out into, you know, to, like I said, to the beach or camping in the woods, whatever it is, store a couple things in there. It's got this, basically this latch here, so when you pull up a little bit on it, it's not gonna open. You really gotta commit to opening it, and then it opens up like so. Same kind of salmon pinkish color inside, again 12 quarts, and it is built to hold cold liquids, and you know, you can put ice in here and then put your beverages in there, whatever you want. And then when you close it down, close it like this, and then you got to really make sure that it clicks firmly in place. So it's a little bit hard to open on purpose, and a little bit you have to be intentional to shut it to make sure it's fully closed. It does have a nice handle there. It's got some pretty thick webbing that runs, you know, basically underneath this plastic part and then over to the other side. So you got that, and you have a nice shoulder strap as well to carry it. And on the sides here, you can see that you got these little kind of cutouts here on this side and on this side as well. And you can mount some OtterBox accessories to that to carry more items, cup holders and things like that. Show you real quick here on the back. You can see the OtterBox logo with the mountains, and then down on the bottom, it does say OtterBox, and it's plastic, but I think it's like a very flexible, almost kind of like a rubberized plastic on the bottom. So when you put that down, here comes somebody down the road, sounds like. 1 scooter, 2 scooters. My hipster neighbors riding up and down the street on a scooter. Anyhow, yeah, the bottom has a little bit of flex to it, but it's not gonna, you know, sometimes you have these coolers and you put them down and they like collapse on themselves. This is definitely like a sturdy and rugged shape as far as the overall build and design of it. So like I said, I've got the 36. This is not something that I would, you know, this is a big thing, so to put it in here, you're not going to be carrying a lot of more items. It will actually stick up too tall to close down, but if you tilt it slightly to the side like so, now I can close that up. So I could probably fit something like that, and then 5 or 6 cans in there, and then like for me, you know, if I'm going out with the kids, either for a hike in the woods, or you know, do something in the woods or to the beach, juice boxes, things like that. So that fits in there. Close that down. So as far as your material, it's TPU coated nylon, and they note on the website that it'll keep your ice in here for up to 3 days, which is pretty impressive. Your dimensions are 11 by 12.5 by 14.25 inches. And yeah, I mean, between this one, where's the, oh, it's inside. I said between this one and then the Elevation 36. I mean, those are some solid products coming to us from Hunt Vault. Let me get this shut properly here. There we go. And yeah, I just want to let you guys know about this. Now, if you guys buy OtterBox products, you know they're not super cheap. So this on their website is running $199.99, so it's expensive. Definitely a lifelong investment, and They have a limited lifetime warranty. OtterBox makes solid gear, so they're going to stand behind. I wouldn't be overly concerned if you have any kind of issues, which I don't think you will. So, and then I think you get 10% off if you like sign up on their website immediately. And then obviously if you get it through Hunt Vault, this is like one of the products you're going to get. This month they sent this as the main product and then a bunch of other items inside. So I'll be interested to use this thing a bit. Like I said before though, OtterBox has made great products. They've held up really well for me as far as my phone cases. So I think this one is going to do the same as well. Yeah, so once again, the Otter Box Trooper 12, I just want to let you know about the product. And yeah, I'll be using this summer. My wife was really excited when she saw this. She was like, "Where'd you get that?" And I told her from Hunt Vault, you know, from one of the companies I work with. And she was like, "That's awesome." So we'll be utilizing this as the weather gets warmer. And yeah, let me hear your thoughts on this product in particular, and then OtterBox. I just said OtterBox, like Autobots transform. Tell me your thoughts on this product in particular, and then OtterBox in general. Alright guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.